Hey there, welcome to the Blessed Workshop, where I'm going to show you how we're going to turn this messy garage into the ultimate workspace for the DIYer. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're getting ready to make the sides of the cart. And I just found out that one of our sideboards is not parallel. It wasn't square, rather. We're off on this one edge by about just under 1/8 of an inch straight across. Problem is, we don't have an easy way to trim off a straight edge like that. So what I'm going to end up doing is a little trick you can do. Basically, I'm going to measure from our blade, and I'm going to use this side because I have more table than this side. I'm going to measure over from our blade to the end of the table itself. So that's 14 3/4. So 14 3/4 inches. I'm going to mark down here 14 3/4 inches from my mark up here. And from my mark over here, which is the top of the board, 14 3/4 inches. Okay. I'll make a light line here so I can put our board against it. And here's what I'm going to do. So, okay. So I have a light mark. So I'm going to take this board, which is straight on this side. This is a factory side, you can see, so I know that side's straight, or should be. And I'm going to take a clamp and clamp this board to each side. And then what we'll do is we'll flip this board over and we'll let this run right parallel on this saw, on this table right here, and we'll be able to trim off that little bit. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to run my blade down. Okay, so then I can take this and run it along that edge right there. As long as my clamps aren't in the way. Yep. Yep, we're going to just barely trim that off and get it nice and square. So now, yeah, now we're going to nick it. All right, hit the vacuum, saw, and carefully guide it through. You can see we're taking off barely any wood. It's getting deeper as we go along towards the back edge. And there we go. Turn it off. Turn off the vacuum. And now we should be square. Square there. A square there. Nice clean cut. Okay. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Check the other side. Square there. And we're square there. And we are square here. Alright, so that is how you square up a board. With a makeshift fence on the back of your board. Just something you can run it against your existing table.